안녕.
Hey everyone, it's Evelyn here. So, I'm back with another unboxing video, and today, the day I filmed this video is November 20th, and BTS just released their newest album B with the newest single Life Goes On. How was it? I cried while I watched the video. Like, the music video is really beautiful, so touching, and the music, the lyrics, all are so beautiful. Oh my god. I really can't wait to get my hands on their album. So anyway, here I have a few packages from a different online shop, so let's just open it up. Maybe I will start from the smallest one. What? Oh. Oh, JK. Okay, as you can see here, I have Variety magazine with a BTS on the cover and my Map of the Soul 1 merch. So I think I will start with the magazine first. Yes, so this is Variety magazine with BTS on the cover. Oh, the cover is like, has this texture. I don't know how to explain it, and it's quite big. What the world needs now, BTS. Okay, so this is the cover. I will do a quick flip through so you can see the inside. Ooh, whoa. Hello boys. Okay, so these are our boys. Yay! Okay, so hahaha, there they are. Look so good. Oh, Taeyoungi got caught. The altar of BTS. Okay. Oh, Jimin. J-Hope. Oh, but why is he so small? Okay, Jimin. Okay, it's Jimin. Oh, so it's Jimin and Taeyoungi. So big. Whoa, whoa. Namjoon. Oh, why Namjoon is so small? Like J-Hope. Like. Suga is also so small. Like, I wish they can put the rap line like in one page like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here's Jin and JK. Oh, so big. Oh, Oh, look at his mole. There's Bang PD here. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. There's no more BTS here. Okay. Ah. Whoa. Can you read that? Record of the year, blah 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 blah. Best pop duo, group performance, BTS Dynamite. First debut on Billboard Hot 100 chart. Yeah, this is so cool. Okay, so that's it for the Variety magazine. Okay, so next I have my Mods 1 merch. I know it's a bit late. They just arrived today. I don't know why they took so long. But I'm still excited. Okay. Here I have 5 items. Not that much if you compare to another YouTuber, but I'm still happy with what I have. As you can see, I have 2 premium photo, 2 sets of a mini photo card set, and mini flag. I actually still have a postcard book and what is it called? Like band for your army bomb, but I got it on second pre-order, so Weavers will ship them on January, which is still 2 months. So let's just open this up. Okay, so I have 2 premium photo. The first one is JK. Oh gosh, I really love this picture. You know, do you know what I bought this? Because his little mole here, oh, so pretty. And I have, of course, a group premium photo. Look at them. Whoa. Oh, hello me. I think this is their first group premium photo and it is so beautiful. I'm so glad I got them. Okay. Next is this mini flag. I got the group one. This is my first mini flag, Eurobun. Wow, look at them, so pretty. By the way, I love the theme, like black and red is just so beautiful. And this is the back. Okay. Okay, how should I, okay, like this. Yeah. Oh. Is it like this? Okay. Chan! Ha ha ha. And last, I have 2 sets of mini photo card. Please, 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 please. Please, no duplicate, please. Wish me luck. Okay, I am so nervous right now. Okay, please. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Whoa! Wow! Yeah. Oh, they changed the texture. It's matte. Okay, here I got Namjoon. Whoa! It is so hard to see. Okay, this is Namjoon. So teeny. Whoa. So hard. I won't show you the back, like it's really hard to see. Hi Yinki, wow. J-Hope. Oh, Jimin, wow, he's so cute. Oh, Taeyong이. Oh, pretty. Oh my god, JK is so cute. And the unit, wow. Uh-oh. Why are you guys so pretty? Oosh. Okay, another set. Please, 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 no duplicate, please. 1, 2, 3. Moment of truth. Yes! Yes! Yes, it's a different one. Ha ha ha. Okay. Got Namjoon. Oh, Jin is so cute. Got Yoongi. Whoa. Hello. And J-Hope. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, Jimin. You're so cute. Please, please, focus, please. Oh, you're so cute, Jiminy. Taeyong이. Oh, you look so good. Oh, Jungkook이, so cute. And the unit. Yay! Got a different unit. Wow. So happy. Yay. Okay. Yes. Yay, I'm so happy. Okay. Yes, 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 I'm so happy. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up first. Okay, so that's it for today's unboxing video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.